tired of forgetting things? Google Tasks makes it easy to stay organized by creating simple to-do lists, setting reminders, and also keeping track of everything on your phone or computer. It's free, fast, and super easy to use. So, hello everyone, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use Google Tasks. Firstly, all I have to do is just open your browser and dive into Google Tasks. So, like that, Google Tasks. Then you click over Enter, and then you'll find here this results. You click over the first one, then you'll find at the page which is this one. Firstly, let's know what is Google Tasks. Google Tasks is an easy to use tool for organizing your to-do lists. You can quickly add tasks, set due dates, and create subtasks for bigger projects and send it across all your device so you can access your tasks on your phone, tablet, or computer. You can also link tasks to Gmail and Google Calendar for better organization. Best of all, it's completely free and simple to get started. Alright, so let's get started right now by just clicking over here in the top left, and you click over create. Then you add a title firstly. For example, let's just give in here task 1 is just an example, and then you select here which day that you want. For example, we have November 2024, and you select here which day that you want. For example, here we have 19, and you select also the time that you want and the specific time that you think it's available for you. Then we have here the option of all days, or we have also here the option of daily, or you select here weekly on Sunday, or also we have monthly on day 17, annual on November 17, or just here click over custom and you custom your day by choosing here how much day that you want, and you select here if you want a week, month, and year as well. Also here you select it's going to be start on November 2024. You have just here 20, 21, 22, 23. You select which one do you want, right? To use Google Tasks, you have just opened the application or access it, Draw, Gmail, or Google Calendar. You create here tasks by tapping them in, set due dates, and organize them into a list. You can break like big tasks into subtasks and check them off as you completed them. Everything send it across your devices, keeping you organized on the go, right? So let's just right now here keep in by just selecting, for example, here custom, and I will select here it's gonna be ends on, for example, December, or here we have 11 on December. Then I will click over OK, and I will select here also the option of after, for example, it's gonna be here end after 20 occurrences, and I will click over OK, and here we have it right now. We will just add a description. For example, here I will just add something. It's not related to the description, just I add something to click over save, because if I didn't here add a description and then we'll click over save, it's gonna be not appearing. Also we have here details, and if you want to here add day, and if you want to here make here daily, and you custom all these things. Right, so this is for all tasks. Right now we have also here start. Alright, so right now we have just to click over here, and as I mentioned before, also we have here for a list. You click over here to create new list, and you enter the name, then you add whatever you want. For example, here we'll add text, then you will click over done, and here we have here the list as you can see. Then you add a task, or for example here, let's just add in, for example, task 1. And then I will just add the details, for example here describing or something here, word, or just something. I will just add it, and I will just say select the date and time, for example and I will set a time, for example here 11 a.m., and I will just click over repeat, and it will click over OK. So this is how it looks right now. And alright, so right now we have also here other things and top, for example support menu, and we have settings menu. For example, about settings you will find here task keyboard shortcuts as you can see. Also we have here support menu, and you click over here if you want to help, want to send feedback to Google. For example, once you click over here and you add task right now, and you getting started. So this is about send feedback, and you have just to describe your feedback, and you have just to do all these things. So this is for this one. Then we have here help. If you need for help, you have just to describe your issue, and you getting started with that. So it's very easy to use this one. Also we have here other options if you want to hear this one. So select here, for example, other things is visit Google Meet, Chat, Google Calendar, Maps, Gemini, Google Drive, and other things, contacts, and other things. Also we have here other things. For example, we have here my account, and then we have here keep. if you want to here add a note and you take a note and you add here take a note and you look over done. Also we have a pin note and also we have menu. You can just make it hidden or delete it if you want. Also we have here contacts and we have also here maps, and then we have here get add-ons and you getting started. So let's just switch into calendar and I will show you here the second option of creating a task. So about this one we have here also event appointment schedule. So I will just select task, then I will here add a title, then I will select here which day and which time, then I will select all day if I want, and I will select also here this option if I want to be weekly on Sunday and other things for the description. And my tasks here I will select task 1 or task here, and then I will click over save, and here we have a task is created. And for example here select which day that you want, or you can just here search for people if you want to share something about task. I will make here another color, for example blue, and they will get started with these tasks, for example. Right, so we have how it looks right now. We have 17, 18, 19. You select which day that you want and you click over here with a specific time. For example, I will select this one, then I will here just click over task and I will add here, for example 19, and we have all days. I will select also here if I want custom, and I will just select here repeat on. For example, if I select month, it's going to be here monthly on day or monthly on the third Saturday, or you can just right now select other thing. I will select also here this option of week, and then I will select which day that I will repeat on. For example, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I will select also Saturday, and then I will select here it's gonna be on orients on which day and just select it. If you want to also here make and never, or you can make here after which how much currencies. For example, I will here click over 10 and then I will click over done. All right, so I will just click over save once you're done. After here add a description and add a title and you get it started. Here we have task 1, as you can see task 1, then I will add a description, for example here describing, then I will click over save, and here we have it right now. The task is created. Also we have other things that could help you guys, so it's very easy to use this one. And just right now let's just switch to tasks. So Google Task is simple, free tool that helps you stay organized by managing your to-do lists and reminders. Whether for work or personal tasks, it keeps everything in one place and sends it across your devices. It's easy to use, efficient, and a great way to make sure nothing falls through the cracks. Give it a try and take control of your day. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.